Hi everyone, how are you all? My name is Shri. I am going to solve one codes for Python question, and the name of the question is the string uppercase. It is very easy question. We need to return true if the string contains only capital letters. If it contains smaller letters, we should return false. Okay. Before iterating the string, I am replacing all the spaces present in the string to non spaces. That means by using replace function. See how I am replacing? Replace is a function which is used to replace with the character which we want. The space should be replaced with non-space. That means just like this. After that, I am iterating the string. I am checking if the string contains lower letters. How we can set by using is lower function. Is lower is a function. Is check if it is lower function or not. If it is identified, if the condition is true, then we should return false. After it is not false, then we should return true by default. Okay, let's check the output. See, all the test cases are passed. Let's check hidden test cases. See, all the test cases are passed. It is easy question, but sometimes they will ask in the interviews, so please prepare. If you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section, and also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.